One more question, and I'm going to let you guys go. How about the long-term care riders? And we're talking about these riders, what we call riders in the insurance world, long-term. Some life policies, they offer this long-term care rider. Can you guys elaborate on this? Is it a good thing, bad thing, or what do you guys say?
Sure. I think somewhat it has to do with your premium tolerance and the overall plan that you're looking to accomplish. We haven't touched on long-term care insurance at all, but you can buy that individually as a policy as well. As you mentioned, Gary, it is available as a rider on some life insurance policies, which allows you, in the event of a long-term care need, which most of the time is defined as the inability to perform or you need standby assistance with 2 out of 6 of your activities of daily living. So if you think about the first half an hour or hour, for some people maybe hour and a half of their day, in terms of getting dressed, eating, those types of things. If you need standby assistance with that, they'll allow you access to that death benefit to the extent that you need access on a monthly basis to a certain percentage. Some companies will allow you 1% of your death benefit, some 2%, some 4% of your death benefit on a monthly basis for those long-term care needs. Now the thing to keep in mind is if you were to buy a separate long-term care policy, you'd have your life insurance here, you'd have your long-term care insurance here, and they would be performing separate things. If you had a life insurance policy with a long-term care insurance rider on it and you were to access it, you would be accessing that death benefit. Okay. So to the extent that you use that death benefit, that much less would pass to your heirs. So that's something that I always want to point out to people when you're doubling up on that. And it may be a good deal. Many times the premium on that rider is less than if you were to go buy a long-term care insurance product outside of that life insurance product. But that is one thing to keep in mind. It is a very, very handy thing, though. Okay, so it's not a good thing, it's not a bad thing. You just have to sit down and you think about it. But one way or another, if you want to protect your assets and long-term care insurance is, of course,